Hey guys, just walking in the door here over on Ferncliff, 2734 Ferncliff. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home tucked away in the Belmont neighborhood. This is a super value for the price that we are asking for this one. Some of the updates include a new roof, new furnace, updated vinyl replacement, dual pane windows, new paint, new flooring, and the list just kind of goes on and on. So let's take a walk around this beauty. Here we are in the living room, just came into the front door, new vinyl flooring all the way around in here. All of these windows have been updated, fresh paint. Coming straight in through there, we'll check out the kitchen. Let's go off to our left right now. We'll check out both the bedrooms on this level. First bedroom here, updated windows, updated fixtures in the ceiling, updated vinyl flooring, fresh paint. Back on through, coming down the hallway, off to our left is our bathroom. Updated wrap there, updated commode, updated vanity, medicine cabinet, sconce lighting on either side. Check out this last bedroom here. Those updated windows, plenty of space in here. Quick peek out into our backyard there. All right, let's head on back to the living room. Let's head on into the kitchen and check that out. Updated appliances. You do have a dishwasher here. So there's our dishwasher, updated cabinets, updated countertops, updated backsplash, vinyl flooring there. Super convenient. Refrigerator all the way down, another little peek into our backyard. These steps are going to take us down into our lower finished level. Brand new carpet just installed in the last few days. Let's go ahead and go on down and check that out. Couple of nice little secluded areas here. You've got the one area here, could be used as a den, a study. And then off to our right, as soon as you get to the bottom, is the washer and dryer area. Washer and dryer are included with the home on this one. Come on around and off to the right there, you have the updated furnace back there. And coming on down into here. Glass block windows all the way around on these. Tons of space down here, 2 closets on either side. Nice little wood slat accent there. All right, now let's head back upstairs. We'll take a quick peek at the backyard. All right, guys, let's just come out the back door here. I want to give you a quick peek into the backyard. Your privacy fence all the way around. Very nice setup and good sized yard, big enough to stretch out in. Not quite so big that it's going to be cumbersome to mow. All right, 1-car garage back there at the back of the lot. Plenty of room to expand if you want to build onto a 2-car garage. You got a shed right there. Keep your mower and everything in. All right, let's head back inside for some final thoughts. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me over here on Ferncliff again. 2734 Ferncliff, beautiful little starter home. Perfect home for somebody looking to downsize. Really a great deal for the money. Thanks for checking it out, guys. We'll talk with you soon.